Welcome to episode 96 of the Snowflake SnowPro Core Certification In-Depth Training Podcast, brought to you by BrightFlux. I'm your host, Yaqub Abdul Hakim, a certified Snowflake user. Today, we're diving deep into a critical feature that sets Snowflake apart: Snowflake data sharing capabilities. Understanding Snowflake's data sharing is pivotal for anyone looking to excel in using this cutting-edge cloud data platform, and is crucial for those preparing for their SnowPro Core certification. As we embark on this comprehensive exploration, we'll cover everything you need to know about Snowflake's data sharing capabilities, ensuring you're well prepped for your exam. Let's get started. What is Snowflake data sharing? Snowflake data sharing, often referred to as secure data sharing, enables Snowflake account holders to share data among themselves without the need for data extraction, transformation, and loading (ETL) processes. This remarkable feature utilizes Snowflake's unique architecture, allowing live, ready-to-query data to be shared across different Snowflake accounts globally in real time. How does it work? Snowflake data sharing is built on the foundation of Snowflake's innovative architecture, specifically leveraging the Snowflake secure data sharing technology. Providers who are owners or producers of data can share data sets directly from the Snowflake database with consumers who are other Snowflake account holders. This is achieved through the concept of shared databases, where the provider grants access to a subset of their data without physically moving the data. The consumer, on the other hand, accesses this shared data as if it were part of their own Snowflake environment, eliminating the need for complex ETL tasks. Key benefits: 1. Real-time data sharing. Providers can share data in real time, allowing consumers to access up-to-date information whenever needed. 2. Eliminates redundant processes. By avoiding the traditional ETL processes, data sharing is simpler, faster, and more cost-effective. 3. Secure and governed access. Snowflake ensures that all data shared is secure and access can be easily managed and monitored by providers. Use cases. Snowflake data sharing has a wide range of applications, from enhancing collaboration between different departments within an organization to enabling data providers to supply third-party consumers with valuable data analytics. Other significant use cases include data marketplaces, where companies share data to create new revenue streams, and sharing operational data across business units for better decision-making. Setting up data sharing. Setting up Snowflake data sharing involves a few critical steps. 1. The provider must create a share, which includes specifying the databases, schemas, and tables they wish to share. 2. They must then grant access to the consumer by adding consumer accounts to the share. 3. Finally, the consumer activates the share in their Snowflake account, granting them access to the shared data. Challenges and best practices. While Snowflake data sharing offers many advantages, navigating its complexities can be challenging. Key challenges include managing access permissions and understanding the legal and compliance implications of data sharing. Best practices for successful data sharing include establishing clear data governance policies, regularly reviewing shared data access, and ensuring all parties understand their responsibilities and the scope of shared data. Conclusion. To conclude, Snowflake data sharing capabilities are a game changer for organizations looking to leverage their data more effectively. By understanding how to utilize these capabilities to your advantage, you can significantly enhance your organization's data operations and potentially your bottom line. This knowledge is also critical for passing the SnowPro Core certification, I hope today's episode has provided you with a solid understanding of Snowflake data sharing and its vast potential. Thank you for tuning into episode 96 of the Snowflake SnowPro Core Certification In-Depth Training Podcast. Join us next time as we continue to delve into the intricate world of Snowflake. For now, I'm Yaqub Abdul Hakim signing off. Keep learning, keep sharing, and see you in the cloud.